Hi, my name's Tony and I'm here to help you apply Postsaver's Pro Sleeve and Pro Sleeve Wrap to your fence and gate posts. For application you will need a hot air gun or a gas blowtorch and a roller if you're using square posts. Please ensure that the hot air gun is at least 2 kilowatt in power. You will find all of our application tools on our website. In this video we'll be focusing on the welded Pro Sleeve for standard post sizes and the wraparound Pro Sleeve Wrap for gate posts and larger post sizes. When installing any variation of Pro Sleeve you need to establish your burial depth. We recommend measuring your hole, then adding 2 inches to this measurement to establish where the top of the sleeve will be located on the post. This extra 2 inches above ground is critical to ensure your Pro Sleeves work effectively. Once you've marked your sleeve position on the post, slide your sleeve up to the correct position, ensuring the seam is located in the center of your post. In the case of Pro Sleeve wraps, simply wrap around your post, pull tight, peel and stick into position. In this shrinking example we're going to be using a hot air gun, but if you're going to be applying sleeves to 15 posts or more, we recommend that you use one of our gas blow torches. You can find videos on how to use our gas blow torches on our website. For the best results, keep out of windy conditions, as the wind can double the time it takes to apply the sleeve. When using a hot air gun, make sure that you do one face at a time. With your hot air gun, hold the gun close to the sleeve until you see the sleeve start to bond to the post. Then start to move left to right, moving down your post. When using square posts, you need to use a roller to roll each surface as you go, whilst the sleeve is still warm. This is to ensure that you get a good seal to the post. Do this on every side. You don't need to do this on round posts. When shrinking any variation of Pro Sleeve, ensure this seam section is done last. A good sleeve application, you will see bitumen start to come through the top and the bottom. This is what we call the black ring of confidence. Also ensure you have a good seal on every side of your post. If for any reason you burn through or damage your sleeve, you will need to cut it off with a knife. Cut through the sleeve from top to bottom and peel it off. You will then need to reapply a new sleeve. Once sleeved, this post is now ready to be installed. Place your post into the hole and install it anywhere you wish. Just be careful not to damage the sleeve with any tamping tools or spades. There we go, all done. You can now be safe in the knowledge that this post will last.